Tesla FSD V14 to include key improvements for Cybertruck. A Tesla VP has confirmed that the electric vehicle maker will be rolling out key improvements for the Cybertruck's full self-driving with the release for V14. The update was shared in a post on social media platform X, the Cybertruck's FSD. While FSD has been released for the Cybertruck, the all-electric pickup truck is still lacking a number of key features that are currently available in the company's other vehicles, like the Model Y, which is substantially more affordable. These include functions like Actually Smart Summon As, which is very convenient for owners. Key accessories that were initially announced for the Cybertruck, such as the range extender, have been cancelled as well. It was then no surprise that Cybertruck owners have taken to social media platforms like X to express their disdain at their vehicle's missing features. Among these owners was Cybertruck Guy, who stated that the long list of missing Cybertruck features gives the impression that the all-electric pickup truck is just an afterthought at the electric vehicle maker. Improvements coming soon. V14 includes improvements for CT on FSD. Tesla's response. Interestingly enough, Tesla VP, AI Infra, Apps, InfoSec, and Vehicle Service Operations, Raj Jagannathan responded to the Cybertruck owner's post, stating that improvements for the all-electric pickup truck are coming soon. This response was mostly received positively, though some X users joked that Tesla's coming soon announcements tend to become quite longer than expected. Seemingly to provide more context, the Tesla VP clarified that the upcoming FSD V14 update will include improvements for the Cybertruck's full self-driving system. V14 includes improvements for CT on FSD, Jagannathan wrote. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has hinted at FSD V14's improvements. In a post on X, Musk stated that the FSD release in about 6 weeks will be a dramatic gain with a 10x higher parameter count and many other improvements. It's going through training testing now. Once we confirm real-world safety of FSD 14, which we think will be amazing, the car will nag you much less. Source, reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.